This is the programmer Al, and in this video I'm going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge, Char-to-ASCII 2. And in this challenge they want you to create a function that returns the ASCII value of the passed in character. So like if they give a capital A, they want returned the ASCII value 65. And this was one of the times that I used the resources tab because I don't know all the methods, I don't have them all memorized, so this is a good one. And to change a character into a number, you use the ORD method, and then to change a number into a character, you would use CHR, but we want to find the number. So what we want to return is ORD for char, and that should return the numbers, the ASCII value of each character, and it did. So that is my walkthrough of char to ASCII.